see the Hyderabad, sir, the total population of Hyderabad, according to the latest census, is 80 lakhs, sir. And the police strength is 8,655. That means, sir, for 924 people, there is one policeman to guard them. In Delhi, sir, for every 255 people, there is one policeman. And in Hyderabad, for 924 people, there is one police personnel, sir. Sir, with this, if I have to go into details, a very big debate, I don't want to go, sir. But I would just request the government. Veerappa Moily has given a very beautiful recommendations regarding the police reform of this country. The state government should look into that report of police reforms and implement that. Our state government has recently constituted Octopus Force, sir. So the Octopus Force officials get a 50% more salary than the other police officials. In spite of that, people are not coming forward to become a member of Octopus. Why? Because the salaries are very less. And I would say, sir, because the margin of corruption is very less in Octopus. So these are the main issues which needs to be addressed, and I hope that our state would really address it, sir. And at the same time, I would like to come up, sir, every terrorism cannot be linked with Islam or Muslims, sir. Islam is a religion which says that you should finish terrorism. Terrorists and terrorism do not have any religion. Please do not mix Islam and Muslim with terrorism. This is the time that we all need to come together and fight this terrorism. But when I see the newspapers, I was really shocked yesterday. I was reading the newspapers and they say that, and it was also said that in the newspaper it was written that the ex-Home Minister Shivraj Patil never said, sir, when the attack was there on the Taj Hotel or Mumbai, sir. He never said the NSG is coming, sir. But the ex-Home Minister and the Deputy Prime Minister of this country came on record on television and said that within 2 hours the NSG would land in Mumbai and take charge of this action. What is this message, sir? This message was not needed, sir. This message has gone to the terrorists and they took it in a way that they have 2 hours. They can do the maximum destruction as to whatever they can. And they will do it. So media should also restrain and see what they are doing. And I would say that few people and few voices are coming up stating that the country needs quota. No, sir, we do not need quota, sir. We do not need quota, sir. Because we already have existing laws with which we can tackle these elements. We have the NSA, National Security Act is there, sir. And also we have the Unlawful Activity Act of 1971 and other major acts are there, sir, with which we can do. Sir, I have 185 people died. 49 were innocent Muslims also in that. And also Amina of Nizamabad also lost her life. Just a bride of 4 days old has lost her life. So when the terrorists fire, when they sweep the bullets, they do not see if a person who they are shooting is a Muslim or a Hindu or a Christian or a Sikh. They just shoot around. So Muslims have also lost their life. We love this country. We are from this country and we are going to stand by this country for the secularism of this country, for the integrity of this country, and we want the terrorism to be finished. As a Muslim, I would say that, sir, politics that we are facing here, sir, let us see that what best we all could do by coming together, sir. The people, the leaders, the police, the security agency, the investigators and even the intelligence will have to reorient themselves to cope with the notice the Honorable Chief Minister would look into that and make this Hyderabad city and the country a safe place, a safe street. There are free streets of Hyderabad and we also need to come up with new laws to protect, sir, I would say, in the shopping malls, in the theaters, in the multiplexes, and all the other big malls, sir. We need to amend some laws and have some security system or new laws to be made so that the people feel safe and secure when they are out on the streets of our country, sir. And मुसलमानों की जानिब से और मजलिस इत्तेहाद मुस्लिमीन की जानिब से ये पुलिस ऑफिसर्स और नेशनल सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के जो ऑफिसर्स और जितने मासूम लोगों ने अपने जानों को खोया है, उनके सारे खानदान वालों के साथ हम हमदर्दी का इजहार करते हैं। और बिलखुसूस ताज और दूसरे होटल के स्टाफ के लिए भी हम अपनी तरफ से उनके लिए भी हमदर्दी का इजहार करते हैं कि उन्होंने भी काफी अच्छा काम किया और कई जानों को बचाया। हमको इस वक्त पॉलिटिक्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बल्कि इस मुल्क को बचाना है। और हमारी सारी हमदर्दी हमारी जमात की तरफ से हम सारे उन पुलिस ऑफिसर्स का और नेशनल सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का भी शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि उन्होंने इतने मासूम जानों को बचाया है, और मरने वालों के साथ इजहार हमदर्दी करते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।